Apparently, there's a constitutional amendment, so this will be something added to the Iowa Constitution that is fairly simple in terms of its language. It does two things. One is it simply says that Iowans have the right to keep and bear arms. So in that sense, the phrase is very similar to the Second Amendment of the US Constitution, but doesn't have that additional language about a militia, which has often confused people and caused a lot of arguments at the federal level, at least until the US Supreme Court weighed in on it a number of years ago. The second thing that the proposal does, a proposed amendment to the Iowa Constitution, is it says that if there are any restrictions put on it by the state or, I suppose, locals, that it has to pass what's called strict scrutiny.
But if it were to not pass, what would happen?
Well, if it were to not pass, it's not sure that it would have a big effect. And that's kind of the interesting thing about putting it in the Iowa Constitution. Now, apparently, some 44 states already have similar language in their own state constitutions, and that's not unusual.
Do you think that the mass shooting in Texas could maybe get more people to go out and vote on this?
You know, the timing of this is interesting because of that. I think the short answer is no. That if this is going to be on the November ballot, that we probably aren't going to, be thinking about what happened in Texas, 5.5 months or so from now. So, but still, it'll be something, and it has energized a number of people, people that are interested, particularly in more gun control restrictions or restrictions on gun control. And so it may be something that they would want to talk about and argue about, is making it harder for people to not carry guns. But again, I think that the bigger issues are going to be things, jobs, the economy, healthcare, the standard kitchen table types of issues that we're going to see affecting people throughout the summer.